Hello students, welcome back to school and welcome back to music class. I hope you had a really wonderful summer and could make some fun music or listen to some fun music this summer. I wish that I could see all of you in person because I miss everybody so much and I miss making music in the classroom. But I hope that we can kind of make music from a distance with each other with these videos this year until we get to be together again in the music room. So today, I want you to think about the things that make up music. So music can be high with very high notes way up here, and it can be low with low notes way down here, or it can be really fast, going with a really fast beat, or it could have a very slow beat and go very slowly. But the thing that we're going to talk about today is how loud music is and how soft it is. So it could be very loud or it could be very quiet. So since music is made of sounds, we're going to think about some sounds that are very soft and quiet and some sounds that are very loud. So I'm going to think of some and you're going to think of some. And I'm going to draw some examples on the board of sounds that are soft and loud. So one example of a soft sound could be a dragonfly. So I'm going to draw a little dragonfly here. So maybe a dragonfly makes a soft sound. And what else could make a soft sound? There could be maybe a bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbits are very quiet. So there's my little bunny rabbit over here. So we have a dragonfly and a bunny rabbit. Some other things that could be very soft are, like in the fall time, we have falling leaves, and making this one brown because in the fall we have our falling brown leaves. So falling leaves maybe. Another thing that could make a very soft sound might be if you've ever heard a faucet dripping, that makes a very soft, quiet sound. So maybe we have a little bit of a leaky faucet here, dripping water. So a leaky sink. And then for loud sounds, let's think about some loud sounds. So one I can think of would be a big firework. Fireworks make loud sounds. Another thing that could make a loud sound might be like a big truck. Let's see. Probably not very good at drawing trucks, but that's okay. I'm going to try anyway. Big, well, it's not too bad. Big trucks. Another thing might be thunder, like a thunderstorm, thunder and lightning storm. So since I can't really draw the sound thunder, so I'm going to draw a cloud with a lightning bolt, and that'll be our thunder. So thunder and lightning and a truck and a firework and maybe a musical instrument that we could think of that would be loud could be a drum. Drums are usually pretty loud too. I'm going to draw some drumsticks here. So, maybe a drum. So on your own, I'd like for you to take out a piece of paper and on one side, write loud, and on the other side, write soft. And I want you to draw on one side of your paper all these sounds that make a soft sound, a quiet sound, and on the other side, all of the sounds that make a loud sound. So if you want to write it, you can write it or you can draw. And in music, we have special words. So I want to teach you the special words that we use for soft and loud. So in music, instead of saying soft, we have a very fancy Italian word for soft, and that is piano. Piano is soft in music. And for loud, we have a very special word we use, and that word is forte. And it looks like that. So, in music, you will see if a song is supposed to be soft, that there will be not the whole word piano, but just the first letter of the word piano. So if a song is supposed to be played soft, there will be a P at the beginning. So P is for piano, meaning soft, just like the bunny and the dragonfly, the falling leaf, and the dripping faucet. And in forte, we also just use the first letter in music, which is the letter F. So if a song is supposed to be loud, there will be an F there for forte. F is loud. So on that piece of paper that you're going to draw all of the quiet sounds, and then on the other side, all the loud sounds. On the quiet side, with your quiet sounds written on there, write a P at the top for piano. Or you can write it in the middle and maybe draw all of them around the P. That might be a fun way to do it. That might look nice and artistic if you want to be an artist that way. But you can do it however you want, however you want to organize it, but have a P on the quiet side. So P with all of your quiet sounds. And on the other side, forte, write a big F on there with all of your loud sounds. So an example of a song being piano, we'll use Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So if we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star piano, it would go like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And if we sing it forte, it doesn't mean we yell the song, but we sing it loudly. Or if we're playing on an instrument, we play it loudly. So that would sound more like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So notice I didn't yell the song, I just sang it very loudly. So I sang it forte, and before that, I sang it piano. So for your own, on your own in your lesson today, after you draw all of your piano sounds, and then on the other side, all your forte sounds, maybe you can practice at home singing either Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or whatever song you like to sing. practice singing it, piano and then singing forte. And just remember, forte doesn't mean yelling the song, it just means singing it loudly. So, now that I've given you those two things to do, I want you to go do them. And then also, when you're done, there is another activity on Google Classroom if you have some extra time. And that is like a loud and soft, just kind of sorting activity. So it's kind of fun. You can just click and drag on the pictures that are loud and soft, and you're going to be sorting them into loud and soft categories and putting them in order of which one's the softest and which one's the loudest. So after you do this on your piece of paper and draw your piano and forte sounds, you can go to the Google Classroom and look at that sorting activity. And then maybe at home, remember to practice your song, piano and forte. I hope you guys have an excellent week this week and enjoy your time in school. Have a good day, class. Bye.